Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive lighting with a focus on the CZJCGD LED headlight bulbs H4-9003 HB2 Universal. If you're looking for the best H4 white headlight bulbs, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these bulbs and see what sets them apart from the competition. Let's kick things off by exploring the key features and benefits of these CZJCGD LED headlight bulbs. These bulbs are designed to be 500% brighter than standard halogen bulbs, thanks to high luminous efficacy CSP chips, delivering a whopping 12,000 lumens. The bulbs provide a super focused beam that offers a wider angle and longer range of light on the road. Plus, there's no glare to oncoming traffic, ensuring a safer drive for everyone. With copper substrates carrying LEDs, an aluminum lamp body, and unique heat sinks, these bulbs boast an impressive lifespan of over 50,000 hours. The 10,000 RPM mute fan helps double heat dissipation, and the hollow carved heat sink design keeps them cool. No need for complicated modifications. These bulbs are a breeze to install, taking only 10 minutes. It's a plug-and-play setup, and they're compatible with approximately 100 additional vehicle models, making them suitable for 99% of vehicles. These bulbs can handle any weather conditions, and they even have a rapid 0.1 second startup time. CZJCGD backs up its product with an 18-month warranty, and it offers 24/7 online customer service. Now, let's move on to a quick installation demonstration. We'll show you just how easy it is to upgrade your headlights to these CZJCGD LED bulbs. We won't go into every detail here, but we'll give you a general idea of what to expect during the installation process. Before we wrap things up, let's take a moment to see what other customers are saying about these CZJCGD LED headlight bulbs. There you have it, folks. The CZJCGD LED headlight bulbs H4-9003 HB2 Universal are undoubtedly a top contender in the world of automotive lighting. With their impressive brightness, easy installation, and excellent customer reviews, they truly stand out as the best H4 white headlight bulbs on the market. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's headlights and improve your nighttime driving experience, be sure to check out the CZJCGD LED headlight bulbs on Amazon. We've provided a link in the video description below. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.